to amend the constitution and allow diaspora voting, passed its second reading in the House of Representatives on Wednesday. The bill, which was co-sponsored by Speaker Abbas Tajuddin and Sadiq Abdullahi, seemed to amend the 2022 Electoral Act to enable Nigerians live abroad to vote. Initially passed for a second reading in July, the bill was sent to the Committee on Electoral Matters for additional review. However, after scaling the second reading on Tuesday, it has been referred to the Constitution Amendment Committee for further legislative action. During the debate on the bill's general principles in July, Sadiq Abdullahi argued that Section 39 of the 1999 Constitution as amended grants citizens the fundamental right of freedom of expression and opinion. He emphasized that Nigerians, regardless of their location, have the fundamental right to participate in choosing their leaders. Abdullahi highlighted that Nigerians in diaspora contribute financially to the country through remittance and should therefore be included in the electoral process, whether they reside within Nigeria or abroad. He said, "It is widely believed that diaspora remittance have contributed remarkably to the development of Nigeria. Nigerians in the diaspora make considerable contributions to the Nigerian economy through huge financial inflow. Sadly, existing laws in Nigeria have not provided voting rights to Nigerians in the diaspora." Section 1 of the bill guarantees the voting rights of Nigerian citizens living outside Nigeria. The section provides that elections be conducted under the Act if passed shall include elections in which the Commission, Independent National Electoral Commission, is empowered by law. Abdullahi added that Section 4 provides that these acts, if passed, shall not invalidate existing laws in Nigeria. It only provides a platform for Nigerians in the diaspora to participate in elections conducted in Nigeria. We'll continue to monitor this story closely for more updates. Kindly let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.